Between the digital subscriptions you meant to cancel and the recurring tool costs for your side projects, unmanaged digital spending quietly drains your monthly income. We are going to fix that by building a budget blueprint that gives every single rupee a specific job and automates your wealth creation. To start, you need to pull up three things: your net monthly income, your expected annual bills, and a blank budgeting spreadsheet. Relying on mental math leaves you at risk of lifestyle creep. Building this structured blueprint forces you to capture your salary and physically direct it toward long-term security. Step 1 is establishing the 50-30-20 rule directly inside your open spreadsheet. This chart shows the ideal distribution of your income. We start with the 50% slice for your needs. These are your non-negotiables: rent or home loan EMIs, electricity, and groceries. You do not put your tech gear or hobby expenses in this column. Next is the 30% allocation for your wants. This covers lifestyle costs like dining out, travel, and premium API credits. Finally, the remaining 20% is strictly for financial goals, routing directly to your emergency fund and recurring investments. Now we apply the zero-based method. You take your total income at the top of the sheet and subtract every single expensive from those three categories. This formula shows the mathematical rule of zero-based budgeting. When you subtract your total allocated spend from your total income, the final number must equal exactly zero. No money is left floating. If you finish your subtraction and have a surplus, do not leave it unassigned. Immediately allocate those leftover funds to a specific target, like a sinking fund for your next server upgrade. By combining the 50-30-20 rule with zero-based math, you transform abstract income into a precise tool. This ensures your earnings aren't wasted on undocumented spending. Even with a perfect spreadsheet, your budget is vulnerable to lumpy, infrequent annual expenses. These are costs like website hosting renewals or annual vehicle insurance. The required accounting solution for these bills is a sinking fund. This is an account where you set aside a small amount of money each month to pay off a large, known future expense. This breakdown shows exactly how to calculate it. You take the total annual cost, like a 6,000 rupee hosting bill, divide it by 12, and add that 500 rupees to your spreadsheet as a fixed monthly need. While you calculate your monthly requirements, dedicate a portion of your 20% savings category to an emergency fund. Your goal here is to secure 6 months of basic living expenses. If you are a digital creator or developer, you have an additional mandatory step. You must draw a line between your personal living expenses and your project costs. To do this, open a completely separate bank account strictly for your projects. You will use your primary account for daily living, and the second account solely for domain registries and API credits. Pre-funding your annual costs prevents financial shocks, and isolating your project expenses shows you the actual return on investment of your side hustle. The ultimate point of failure in any financial plan is relying on your own willpower to manually move money into savings every month. To eliminate that risk, log into your primary mobile banking application right now to begin the automation sequence. Navigate to your transfer settings and configure a standing instruction. This is a mandate you give to your bank to automatically move a specific amount of money on a regular schedule. Set this to transfer your entire 20% financial goals allocation. The timing here is critical. Schedule this transfer to trigger the exact day after your monthly salary is credited to your account. Prioritize the specific savings transfer chronologically before you automate any fixed bills or lifestyle spending. Banking automation removes emotion and hesitation from your finances. Your wealth will accumulate regardless of how busy or distracted you get. With your categories defined, accounts separated, and transfers scheduled, your blueprint is complete. You now have an organized, fully automated financial roadmap. The final step is maintenance. Schedule a recurring 15-minute calendar appointment for the very last day of every month. During this appointment, compare your actual spend against your blueprint. Evaluate the return on investment of your digital tools and adjust your allocations for the next month. Wealth is the potential of the capital you choose not to spend today. By following this blueprint, you move from simply managing a salary to deploying your income to build your own digital assets and security.